Ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday celebration. A themed party. Consider throwing a party with a specific theme, such as a superhero party, a beach party, or a sports party. This can help make the celebration more interactive and fun for the birthday child and their friends. A day at the amusement park. Many 10-year-olds love amusement parks, and a day spent riding rides and playing games can be a great way to celebrate. A backyard movie night. Set up a screen and projector in the backyard, and have a movie night with popcorn and other treats. A scavenger hunt. Plan a scavenger hunt around the neighborhood or in a local park. This can be a fun and active way to celebrate the birthday. A craft party. If the birthday child enjoys art or crafts, consider hosting a craft party where guests can make their own projects. You could provide materials such as paints, beads, or clay, and have a variety of projects for guests to choose from. A trip to a local attraction. Consider taking the birthday child and their friends to a local attraction, such as a zoo, a museum, or an aquarium. This can be a fun and educational way to celebrate. A sleepover party. Many 10-year-olds enjoy sleepovers, and a sleepover party can be a fun way to celebrate the birthday. Consider setting up a tent in the backyard or having a camp out inside the house. A sports day. If the birthday child is interested in sports, consider hosting a sports day where they and their friends can play their favorite sports or try out new ones. You could set up a mini tournament or just have a casual pick-up game. A cooking party. If the birthday child enjoys cooking, consider hosting a cooking party where they and their friends can make their own meals or snacks. You could provide a variety of ingredients and recipes, and have the children work together to prepare their own meals. A game day. Host a game day where the birthday child and their friends can play their favorite board games or video games. You could also set up outdoor games such as cornhole, frisbee golf, or a water balloon toss.